Hello there guys, it's the 10th of December, it's 7 p.m. I'm in the hometown of Olhão and I've come to check out the Christmas lights. First time I've seen them this year, so come and join me guys. So I'm starting to walk right next to the train station. We've got a nice little square here. Looks like they've got some stalls that are open in the daytime. And then right opposite is a huge Christmas tree. And this is the main avenida that leads down to the pedestrianised streets, right near where the church is. Hop across the lights. And they've done this beautiful, they do it every year. Each year is slightly different. Just cross this busy road. No, I won't. Here we go, a bit of jaywalking there. So in the middle of the avenida, it's about 400 metres there to the church, and you have every tree all lit up. Pretty stunning really. I have no idea how busy it's going to be this early in the evening and this time of year. I'll show you the church, we'll check the back streets out and take a look at the marina, see what's going on. So as we get a bit closer to the church, just spotted a restaurant I've never seen before. This van goes past. Nepalese and vegan cuisine. Might have to give that one a go. First Nepalese restaurant in Olhao. A nice pleasant surprise that. I don't know how long that's been open for. We're just passing the Pure Formosa Hotel. Pretty new addition to the hotels in Olhão. There's a rooftop pool. And normally they sell the chestnuts here, but they've closed up early. And there's a beautiful view of the Christmas tree just outside the church. Stunning that. People taking photos of it. The church is lit up as well. We'll cut down this pedestrian street, check out what's there. I'll just give you a closer look at the church. Looks a lot nicer close up. Very nice. And just at the other side of the church, there's a couple of bars. It's got these structures here, all lit up. Oh, really nice that. So that's the Belfry Bar and Grill. A little bit early for people to come. Normally 7:30, 8 o'clock to start wining and dining in Olhão. Yeah, so all the shops close at 7. So we've just missed them. But look how nice it is down these pedestrianised streets. All the lovely Christmas decorations. Here are all the side streets. We've got the Christmas lights as well. We'll cut down this street. Just passing the Indian shop there where we get all our spices from. Isn't it lovely? I'm walking past my favourite restaurant, the Indian Hut one. It's actually closed down. The guy at this restaurant here has just told me they didn't renew the contract for the building. So, let's take a pop in here, the taberna. It's okay to come in, yeah?
Of course, yeah.
Oh, it's very nice.
You can sit wherever you like to sit.
Beautiful,
Yes.
that.
Still over there, yes.
It's very nice. And it's lovely and warm as well. You okay? He thought when I asked him could he go in, that was eating there. Just wanted to pop in, but yeah, it's a nice little traditional Portuguese restaurant, that one. We've got the Indian kebab hut, which is owned by the same people as the Indian Hut 1 and 2, although the Indian Hut is no longer there. We'll pop into the square opposite the markets. Very, very quiet. Restaurants are still open, so they must be expecting people in later on. Sangria, no one in that one. We'll pop over to the waterfront where there's normally a boat with done beautifully decorated with the Christmas lights. Let's check it out. All the markets lit up. There's quite a lot of restaurants are still open. Wow, look how nice that is, guys. Yeah, they do this boat up every year. Absolutely stunning. Not many of the bars are open along the front. We'll walk towards the marina, see what's open there. It does look stunning at night with all the boats lit up and the water's so calm. There's not even a ripple in there at the moment. Our Casteria is open, a really nice steak restaurant. Now I do know we've got a few people coming over for the Christmas and New Year. I'd just like to warn you guys, in the evening it gets very, very cold. So you might have shorts and t-shirt on in the day. In the evening you are going to need your hoodie and your coats. All botties open, nobody in it. Well, this one's lit up nice. This one's called Porter. few people in there. The Mexican is open. The Laterito. No one in that at the moment. We got the vegetarian restaurant. Still not been in that one yet. And Ofanguinho. I'll just show you, this is always pretty busy. Look at how big it is. And the food in there is really nice and at very affordable prices. Let's pop down this street to the square at the back. The tapas bars are open, both of them. You've got Lenders at the top there. And this one's called Wine Time. And there's, oh, they've not got it all lit up. There's two really nice restaurants there. Head back towards the marina. Morimar is open. Oh, two tables taken there. Okay, good night. We pass the police station. As you can see with these apartments, there's not many with lights on. So I would imagine most of them are holiday lets. Well, passing the real Marina Hotel, I thought they'd have put a bit of an effort in and put some Christmas lights up. They've not got any. We're right by the new marina, and this little roundabout here, first time I've seen that or noticed it, the seahorse. They must have this new marina lit up nice. Wow, this is lit up nice. Like a Father Christmas playing the piano. Got the kids area. Very quiet. See the sparkling lights of Calatra and Ferrol. Oh, it's beautiful, that. Quite tall, is that? I don't know if you can see it on camera or it's that light, it distorts it a bit, but really nice. And there is a view of all the restaurants at the marina. I think one of them had a few people in. I'll just check it out. It is normally pretty quiet though in the winter time, the marina. Never really taken off this end. Got bamboo up there. There's a few people in there. Got a cocktail bar. Ice cream shop. I don't think there'll be many people in there today. Vai de Vela. Lounge bar. That's normally where we do go if we do come and have a drink at the marina. I'll see what the view's like from upstairs. So it's looking like the only restaurant open is the Bamboo. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little walk-in tour. If you have, hit the like button And if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.